Hi. I didn't realize you left the camera on me. Good thing I didn't touch my junk.
We told you we were bringing more champ videos.
Yeah, we're gonna go out and hack a boat up.
I think that was the best day ever. It looks like marmalade.
This is supposed to be the good stuff.
We're here Sunday morning. Gonna do some work and do some fabbing. We're gonna get this thing going, champion build. Basically what we're doing, Jason's working back here, gonna get this all as close to being finished as we can. I'm here to just basically prep all these holes that I don't want in the boat, and all this garbage, like this has gotta go away. And Superman to do the things like make the patterns, get in small places that I can't get to, so.
My name is Taj Hauser and my dad's name is Andy Hauser.
That's what we're doing on a Sunday morning.
Yeah, we're here on a Sunday just to keep people going and keep it in tune. Like we said, we told you we were bringing more champ videos, and we're bringing more champ videos.
I'm gonna do some boring work. I'm gonna fill in down under here a little bit because there's some holes when we were cutting the dry rod out of the bottom of the boat here. So I'm gonna fill that in so when Andy goes in there with the saw and cuts a little bit more, we can sea-cast this.
Masks?
We're all just gonna wear masks. It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, who didn't wear a mask last time?
I don't know. Somebody. I think it was me, maybe.
Taj, is there directions on those? How to put them on? I'll get my mask on.
Pre-filter?
Pre-filter.
And there goes the glasses.
We're just gonna egg these holes out, make these a little bit bigger so that way we get some bonding. Because if you go right on here, you're not gonna get enough bonding. So what we're gonna do is layer this back out to here so that way when we fill all these holes, it'll all be bonded up good. And we'll just step bit it to begin with, then we'll come back with the grinder and grind it flush. Actually, he's gonna do this, so. Okay, and then just make sure it's straight, square, and step that down to where you get to like right in here. Okay.
I'm drilling, well, I'm making the holes bigger.
Drilling the holes and making bigger holes?
Yep.
Sanding the gel coat so the new gel coat will stick to it. Kind of like we did last time when we put this stuff on. You always have to resand it before you apply new.
What are you doing?
Putting more strips for underneath that. There's some holes under here from the chainsaw, so we're gonna fix all that down into the transom. Gonna mix up some resin for that matting I cut up so I can gel coat all that in. I'm gonna try this stuff and see what the hype is. It looks like marmalade. Look at that molasses. That's some good stuff. It's supposed to be 1-to-1. One of our fans, was it one of our fans send this stuff? Yeah. One of our fans sent us this and says it's 1-to-1 and it's easier to mix. So I was gonna try it and see how it worked.
What are we gonna do here?
We're utilizing 3M sanding paper for this kid's hand because he's got this hand that fits this. Then he can be like Mr. Miyagi. And you can just sand the floor. See that? See how you're really getting into it? Okay. Good. Oh, this is karate now. This is Karate Kid, ready? Stand the floor! Wipe. 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 Very good. I like it. Shout out to 3M products. 3M products are definitely what we use when it comes to sanding or any of our other sanding agents, I guess you want to say, around here. So shout out to 3M for making good stuff. And if you are listening, 3M, that'd be awesome.
Gloves for safety. We're all about safety here. Sweet.
This is brand new. I don't know if that's normal. Are these supposed to come with like a heat indicator when it gets too hot? 129 degrees? All right, just stay on it. Oh yeah, it's up to 131.
Look at that. Syrup.
This is supposed to be the good stuff.
I know. There you go. Yeah, you got it, I think. Yeah, there you go. You got it.
There's more on the other side.
Yeah, there you got it.
Good.
You sure?
Yeah. See that? Yeah.
It's going not good.
Why is it not good, J-Bone?
This stuff just doesn't cooperate.
Are we gonna just throw that away and start over?
I am going to start over. I'm putting this one chunk on here and that's it.
We're mixing up some of the other gel coat
Why is that?
because I'm not good with the other stuff. Ooh, this goes down to 2 ounces. I like that.
What's wrong with the other stuff?
I'm just not used to it. It's too thick. It's too thick for what I want to do with it. No.
I think he's creating something. I think you can sell those hats.
I got one for you too.
Not gonna fit my head.
Yeah, well.
I don't know. They're nice. Mine's broke already.
Is there a warranty on those?
Is there a warranty on these? You don't like warranties? You'll do fine in this business then, because everybody wants a warranty.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go cut pieces of a boat. There's one I want right there. Take this one out. Same blade. Keep it. I think I'm gonna take that section of that console out right there. Maybe this section over here, just because it's gonna be thin, just like what I want. Oh, it's not really in good shape. Yeah, so the boat that got picked to get chopped up, that was one that I've moved from my other shop to here. I ended up owning it just because the guy didn't want it no more. I don't want it no more. It's junk, it's garbage, everything's been stripped off of it. But we were gonna get rid of it and throw it a while ago, and Jason did make a comment, maybe we should keep that so we can just, if we need some chunk pieces, we can definitely just take them out. Obviously I got a lot more boat to cut, so if I need parts, I'm just gonna hack away. I think it'll be all right. It's got a kind of a concave to it, but oh, there is some nice flat stuff right here. For those square pieces that I need, rectangular pieces, I'm going to take a section right here. I'm going to drill a hole and cut a section of this right out of here. I got another piece over here. That's mine too, buddy.
All in the name of parts.
All in the name of parts.
I think that was the best day ever to watch that.
Black and red. Black.
What are we gonna be doing?
I'm gonna draw some pictures. It'll be like picture pages, you know? I'm just gonna draw some cool stuff on here.
I'm taking silicone off of this so then they can put the panels on.
Just taping this on the bottom of the back side just as a backer. It'll come off when we're done.
This stuff works excellent for that.
Gable, that's okay? Perfect.
We'll make it work. It's good.
Yeah. And then we're gonna start putting it together.
Yes,
It's like a jigsaw puzzle.
it is.
That's pretty cool.
I'm gonna mix some Duraglass up and fill in some of those holes that Andy has prepared. Yummy.
This stuff tastes better than the other stuff?
Yeah, much better.
Duraglass actually has fiberglass in it, as Bondo does not. The Duraglass doesn't shrink like Bondo does, so basically you put the Duraglass down first, sand it all smooth, and then you'll use the Bondo on the top to get rid of any of the air bubbles or imperfections. So it's basically a filler more than anything.
Juicy.
What are we doing?
Taking the high spots off so I can put another layer on here.
We're taking our blue tape, and we're gonna tape the front side, and we can stick that to it. Then he can do his business on the inside, and then we'll let that get all hard and happy, and then we'll pull the tape off to the front side. Taj hangs with his dad on the weekends as much as he can, and he wanted to come in today to help work on the boat, and I'm never going to stop him. I'm not going to say no, because like we always say, these are life lessons. I love having my son here.
I think we did good today.
Now it's all gonna dry, get hard, and then we come back, sand it. We can do the back. We'll get the C deck or the C cast in, and then while the C cast is going in, we'll finish up sanding and do the next coat if we have to, and let that dry and send it off to paint and wrap.
Well, in the next video, you'll see that aluminum piece in the back will be fastened into the boat, and we'll be finishing off that back section so it's no longer got a well in it. It'll just be nice, smooth and flat. So there'll be gel coating, and there'll be Durglassing, and there'll be bondoing. There'll be all kinds of more stuff so we can move on to the next step.
I think it's gonna be really cool. Yeah, he's gonna let me drive it.
Today we started just getting the steps to getting the boat so it doesn't look like Swiss cheese. Jason was finishing up a little bit of work on that transom. We were going around and filling up the big holes because ultimately, you know, I'm gonna wrap the boat. I'm only gonna wrap it because it's a company boat. It's not like we're gonna skip steps or anything, but it's gonna be a company boat, and I wanted to say Team Marine. I want to scream Team Marine because that's what we're gonna do. So we got to get the holes out of it. Whether or not we're gonna put something back there, that's one thing, but we got to make sure that it's flat, level, ready to rock and roll.
What are you doing?
I'm just gonna see what this boat's been sitting out, and like I said before, Champions were built to last, and this thing's been sitting out for quite some time. Now this isn't even high speed. This is just a stupid little buffer. Little to no effort.
Yeah, so back in that back corner, I just wanted to see if it would come back. Honestly, I've never had a Champion that has been this faded, this much garbage looking like, and but I wanted to see if it would come back. I wanted to see, and I kind of knew it would come back, but I didn't use anything high end. I just used a 3M wax on it and just a tiny little snap-on buffer. I didn't even really get into it. It, like we said before, it just shows the commitment those guys and men and women that built them boats. Those people had such a commitment to making excellence, and they are, and they were, and they're gonna be always number one in my eyes, because right down to the finish. I mean, that thing, I think it sat outside for 6 years uncovered. I mean, it looks bad probably on camera, but if you could touch it and feel the sandpaper feel, and then now go feel that one little corner I did, it's amazing. And it just goes back to those people, the commitment they had to excellence, and that's what they made.
Stay tuned for next week's episode, and as always, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And as always,
to witness
to
witness
the
madness we call
speed,
money, and no brakes.
Yay!